just walk into an episode of Walking Dead? Hello?
Wow, look at us. Hey, hey. Oh shit. Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, I'm good. It fell at the same time. Oh no. So this is day 6. We went snowboarding up in Teton Pass, and we're trying to catch some stars again out in Montana, but it's snowing.
Caught some vibes, bro.
Look outside. Mike wants to snowboard again tomorrow and
Yeah,
go
man.
straight to the airport.
Day 7. It's our 1 week anniversary. Oh shit, snowing.
Yeah. It's a blizzard. I don't know if y'all can see this.
I don't think we could see any stars.
Oh, we'll have fresh pow tomorrow.
Fresh pow.
Fresh pow.
Fresh pow.
Fresh
All the
pow.
more reasons. All the more reasons to make it up there. Ivan, we can't not go now.
I know. That's what I was
So I guess we can't see stars.
So let's watch Avatar tonight.
I mean, we can go for a quick drive.
Guys, if I'm driving, we're doing donuts. You're driving.
Alright, okay, we're doing donuts.
God, no! Please, no donuts.
Why?
A few moments later.
Put on the high beam. I don't care if you can
For
see.
the footage. For the footage.
I don't care if you can see. Put on the high beam.
That looks insane.
More moments later.
Yeah, man, it's gonna be like 3 inches, 4 inches of snow.
That's what she said.
Why? What? Why did she say that? Why would she say that? Why would she say that? That's weird, Alex. Forecaster?
The next morning.
Day 7, it's our last day on our extravagant trip. It's gonna be an epic end to our trip. Fresh pow on the slopes.
Pow.
Fresh pow.
Fresh pow.
There was nothing left to say. How to get up, walk away. Know when to hold 'em, know when to fold. Know when to hold 'em, know when to fold. Cold sweat, blood in my eyes. Thunder rolling through the skies. I can feel it in the air tonight. Say I won't, but you know I might. Ain't no storm and ain't no thief. Ain't got time and ain't got sleep. But I feel fine and I feel free. 'Cause I'm the last man standing
for you, Mike.
Always something, always something. All I ain't got, but I ain't got an axe to grind. Know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em. I've been tempted, I've been tried. Know you wanna test my pride. I suggest you go and move. Say I won't, but you know I might. Ain't no storm and ain't no thief. Ain't got time and ain't got sleep. But I feel fine and I feel free. 'Cause I'm the last man standing in the street.
You good? Okay. You alright?
Yeah, chilling. I'm just vibing.
What are you doing? Tell us what you're doing, Ivan. You vibing out there? You vibing, bro? Is that how you vibe? Have we been doing it wrong this whole time? Coming at you.
Ain't got time and ain't got sleep. But I feel fine and I feel free. 'Cause I'm the last man standing in the street.
Pow. Fresh pow.
I'm the last man standing in the street. I'm the last man standing in the street.
How you feeling, Alfred?
Tired. Definitely Can't complain, man. Look at that view.
Yeah.
It really looks like the Paramount.
Yeah, it does. Today was a
Some stars.
very gorgeous day today for snowboarding. What a way to end the trip, huh?
Yeah, it's the last thing we do. Sure, until we're dead.
Yeah. Well, I'm definitely gonna miss the mountains. And oh yeah, our little friend from earlier, from yesterday. Well, boys, it's been real. Stay safe. See you when I see you.
Sir.
Have fun with you guys.
Yeah,
See y'all soon.
Be safe. See you when I see you, man.
Whenever.
Y'all be safe.
Thursday.
Later, dude.
Thursday, Capone, 2 a.m. Thursday.
Yo, later, boys. Be safe.
Let us know when y'all make it.
So, Mike, you want to go to LA?